How to download and install Pinterest on your MacBook computer. So I'll show you how to download the Pinterest app on your Mac. Now this will work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and also iMacs as well. So the first step is you need to go and load up a Google Chrome browser. Now you need to make sure that you're using Google Chrome and not Safari. In the search box, type in the word Pinterest, and then click on the official Pinterest website. Now in your browser, click on the three vertical dots. You can then press Cast Save and Share and click on Install Pinterest. Now click on the Install button, and as you can see, it will now install this as its own application. So if you just go and close out of this window, in this folder you'll see the Pinterest app. Now what you need to do is go and move this into the Applications folder. Once it's been moved, you can open up the apps on your Mac. You can then go and search for Pinterest, and you can open up the Pinterest app from here. And as you can see, this will open Pinterest in its own application.